Welcome to Sam Official Tech. Today, we're featuring the Tesmec EVO, a versatile machine for trenching and soil prep, ideal for irrigation, wiring, and drainage, boosting productivity with precision and efficiency. Stay tuned! John Deere 1050K is a powerful crawler dozer designed for heavy-duty work. It features a robust engine and advanced hydraulics, making it ideal for tasks like land clearing, road construction, and mining. The machine's intelligent controls enhance efficiency and operator comfort. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance in tough environments, delivering exceptional productivity and reliability in construction and agricultural applications. The Gens HEM is a powerful, high-performance self-propelled harvester designed for efficient wood chipping and processing. It features advanced technology to quickly handle large volumes of biomass, such as trees and branches, transforming them into chips for use in energy production or forestry applications. Its robust build ensures durability, while its innovative design offers superior productivity and fuel efficiency. Liebherr manufactures heavy-duty machines used in agriculture, including wheel loaders and excavators. These machines are known for their durability, high performance, and fuel efficiency. Designed to handle tough tasks, Liebherr equipment is ideal for material handling, soil preparation, and other agricultural operations, ensuring reliability and productivity in challenging environments. The AgBot 2 is an autonomous agricultural robot designed for precision farming. It is equipped with advanced sensors and AI technology, allowing it to perform tasks like soil analysis, planting, and crop monitoring. The machine improves efficiency, reduces labor costs, and enhances sustainability by optimizing resource usage and minimizing environmental impact in farming operations. Green is a brand that produces advanced agricultural machinery, including sprayers and cultivators. These machines are designed to enhance farming productivity by efficiently applying fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Green equipment offers precision, durability, and excellent fuel efficiency, helping farmers achieve optimal crop health and yield while reducing environmental impact through more sustainable practices. The Weeb RMW is a robust agricultural machine designed for efficient weed control and land preparation. It features advanced technology to precisely remove weeds without damaging crops. The RMW uses rotating discs and a unique mechanism to effectively break the soil and clear unwanted plants. This machine improves crop yield by reducing competition for nutrients and water. A low-bed trailer is a heavy-duty transport vehicle used in agriculture and construction for hauling large and heavy equipment. It features a low, flat deck design that allows for easy loading and unloading of machines like tractors, harvesters, and excavators. The trailer's strong structure ensures safe transportation over long distances, providing stability and efficiency during movement. Loftness is a manufacturer known for producing agricultural machinery like crop shredders and mulchers. These machines are designed to efficiently manage crop residue, clearing fields by shredding plants and branches. Loftness equipment ensures high performance with minimal downtime, improving soil health and preparing land for the next planting season. They are essential for sustainable farming practices. Dolby is a manufacturer of agricultural machinery, specializing in equipment like mowers and shredders. These machines are designed for efficient grass cutting, mulching, and residue management. Dolby equipment offers high performance and durability, helping farmers improve land preparation and crop management. The machines are built for precision and reliability, ensuring optimal productivity in agricultural operations. ESS Pollock is a manufacturer of agricultural equipment, specializing in sprayers and fertilizing machines. Their machines are designed to apply fertilizers and pesticides accurately and efficiently, ensuring optimal crop growth. ESS Pollock equipment offers precision and reliability, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. These machines are essential for modern farming, helping increase productivity while maintaining sustainability. AutoAgri is an advanced manufacturer of agricultural machinery, specializing in autonomous equipment for precision farming. Their machines, like robotic planters and harvesters, are designed to operate with minimal human intervention. AutoAgri equipment enhances efficiency by accurately planting, monitoring, and harvesting crops, reducing labor costs, and improving yields. These machines contribute to more sustainable and precise farming practices. The Panther Series 2 is a range of high-performance track tractors designed for demanding agricultural tasks. These machines offer superior traction, stability, and power, making them ideal for challenging terrains and heavy-duty operations. With advanced features, the Panther Series 2 is perfect for tilling, plowing, and other field work, ensuring high productivity and efficiency in modern farming. Beton block is an agricultural machine designed for producing concrete blocks, commonly used in farming operations for building structures like silos or barns. It efficiently mixes and molds concrete, ensuring strong, durable blocks. Beton block machines streamline construction processes, saving time and labor costs. Their high productivity and reliability make them essential for agricultural infrastructure development. The automated strawberry harvester is a high-tech machine designed to efficiently harvest strawberries. Equipped with sensors and robotic arms, it can identify ripe fruit and pick it without damaging the plants. This machine improves harvesting speed and reduces labor costs, making it ideal for large-scale strawberry farms. It ensures precision and quality, enhancing overall productivity in strawberry cultivation. Terraltech is an agricultural technology company that specializes in machines for soil treatment and land preparation. Their equipment, such as the Terraltech soil tillers, efficiently break up compacted soil, improving aeration and water retention. These machines help farmers enhance soil health, boost crop yields, and promote sustainable farming practices, making them essential for modern agricultural operations. Oxbow's Pixel is an advanced harvesting machine designed for efficient harvesting of specialty crops such as peas, beans, and other row crops. It uses precision technology to gently pick and collect the crops without damaging them. The Pixel improves harvesting speed and reduces labor costs, ensuring high productivity and quality while maintaining minimal crop loss during the process. Speed is an agricultural machine designed for high-efficiency field operations. It is primarily used for seeding, fertilizing, and cultivating crops. The machine offers fast, precise performance, allowing farmers to cover large areas quickly. With advanced technology and adjustable settings, Speed ensures optimal seed placement and soil health, improving crop yields and reducing operational costs on large-scale farms. The Braca trencher is an agricultural machine designed for efficient trenching in forestry and land preparation. It is used to create narrow trenches for planting trees, laying pipes, or installing irrigation systems. The trencher features a powerful digging mechanism, ensuring precise and deep trenches with minimal soil disturbance, improving productivity and facilitating faster land development. Agribot is an advanced agricultural robot designed for precision farming. It uses artificial intelligence and sensors to perform tasks like weeding, planting, and crop monitoring. The robot can navigate fields autonomously, identifying and removing weeds while minimizing crop damage. Agribot improves efficiency, reduces labor costs, and supports sustainable farming by reducing the need for chemical pesticides. The T1255 Terrain is a versatile, high-performance track trencher used in agriculture and construction. It is designed for precise trenching in tough terrains, ideal for laying pipes, irrigation systems, and cable installation. The T1255 offers excellent stability and power, ensuring efficient operation even in challenging soil conditions. Its advanced features enhance productivity while minimizing environmental impact. The Conrad HL is a heavy-duty agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and land preparation. It is equipped with advanced hydraulics and powerful tilling tools, making it ideal for deep soil loosening, plowing, and mixing. The Conrad HL enhances soil structure, improves water retention, and prepares the land for planting, ensuring optimal conditions for crop growth. Nexat is an innovative autonomous agricultural machine designed for multiple farming tasks, including planting, tilling, and harvesting. Its advanced AI technology enables it to operate efficiently in fields with minimal human intervention. The Nexat machine reduces labor costs and increases productivity by performing tasks with precision, improving soil health and crop yields while promoting sustainable farming practices. The Jibby 1250 is an advanced agricultural machine designed for efficient soil cultivation and trenching. It features a powerful engine and precise hydraulics for deep soil loosening and trenching tasks. The Jibby 1250 is ideal for tasks such as planting, irrigation setup, and land preparation, helping improve soil structure and enhance crop yields in a variety of farming environments. Bakus is a specialized agricultural machine designed for efficient land cultivation and soil preparation. It is commonly used for tasks such as plowing, tilling, and leveling fields. With its powerful engine and durable components, Bakus ensures smooth operation in tough soil conditions. This machine helps improve soil structure, enhance water retention, and prepare the land for planting, ensuring better crop yields. Rover is an advanced agricultural machine designed for precision tasks like weeding, mowing, and crop monitoring. It operates autonomously, using GPS and sensors to navigate fields and perform its duties efficiently. Rover helps reduce labor costs, increases productivity, and promotes sustainable farming practices by precisely managing crops and minimizing the need for chemical treatments. It ensures high efficiency in modern agriculture. The Robotic is an advanced agricultural machine designed for automated farming tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting. It uses AI and sensors to navigate fields, performing tasks with high precision and minimal human intervention. This machine reduces labor costs, increases efficiency, and promotes sustainable farming by minimizing the use of chemicals and optimizing crop management for higher yields. Caterpillar is a renowned brand producing heavy-duty agricultural machinery such as tractors, loaders, and bulldozers. These machines are designed for tough farming tasks, including soil preparation, planting, and land clearing. With powerful engines and durable construction, Cat equipment ensures high performance, efficiency, and reliability in demanding agricultural environments, improving productivity and reducing operational costs. Seed Hawk is an advanced seeding machine designed for precision planting in agriculture. It is equipped with innovative technology that ensures accurate seed placement at optimal depths. The machine's efficient design allows for reduced soil disturbance and improved seed-to-soil contact, enhancing germination rates. Seed Hawk is ideal for large-scale farming, improving productivity and crop yield while promoting soil health. Nexat is an innovative autonomous agricultural machine designed for multiple farming tasks, including planting, tilling, and harvesting. It uses advanced GPS and AI technology to operate autonomously, reducing the need for manual labor. Nexat improves efficiency, reduces operational costs, and enhances precision in crop management. Its versatile design makes it ideal for sustainable farming, increasing productivity and reducing environmental impact. The Mency is a specialized agricultural machine designed for precise and efficient forestry and land maintenance tasks. It features a unique articulated design, allowing it to navigate steep and challenging terrain with ease. Mency machines are ideal for tasks such as clearing land, planting, and maintaining forestry, offering stability, power, and versatility for demanding agricultural environments. The Remu E22 is a versatile compact agricultural machine designed for screening, crushing, and mixing soil, compost, and other materials. It features a powerful hydraulic system and a robust drum for efficient operation. Ideal for land reclamation, soil improvement, and waste management, the Remu E22 enhances productivity by quickly processing materials, making it essential for modern farming and construction. The potato harvester is an essential agricultural machine designed for efficient potato harvesting. It lifts the potatoes from the soil, separating them from the dirt and leaves. The machine uses specialized digging tools and conveyors to collect and transport the potatoes without damaging them. This equipment improves harvesting speed, reduces labor costs, and ensures a high-quality yield. Lely Discovery is an automated feeding system designed for dairy farms. It delivers fresh feed to cows, ensuring they receive the right nutrition at the right time. The system uses sensors and GPS technology to navigate the barn, distributing feed evenly and efficiently. This reduces labor costs, increases milk production, and improves overall farm efficiency and animal welfare. Damkin is an agricultural machine designed for efficient land preparation and trenching. It is widely used for tasks like planting trees, installing irrigation systems, and creating drainage channels. The machine features a robust digging mechanism that ensures precise, deep trenching with minimal soil disturbance. Damkin improves productivity, reduces labor costs, and is ideal for a variety of agricultural and landscaping applications. The T14R is a versatile agricultural machine designed for efficient soil preparation and land cultivation. It features a powerful engine and advanced hydraulics, making it ideal for tasks like plowing, tilling, and trenching. The T14R ensures precise soil management, improving crop yield and soil health. Its durable design and high performance make it an essential tool for modern farming operations. The Ventrac is a versatile, all-season compact tractor used in agriculture for a variety of tasks, including mowing, tilling, and snow removal. With its unique articulated design, it offers excellent maneuverability on uneven terrain. The Ventrac features a range of attachments, making it ideal for land management, improving efficiency and productivity in both farming and landscaping applications. Algae Demo is an innovative agricultural machine designed for algae removal and management in farming environments. It efficiently collects algae from water bodies like ponds or reservoirs, improving water quality for irrigation and livestock. The machine's advanced filtration system ensures effective algae removal without harming aquatic life, promoting better crop irrigation and supporting healthier farming conditions for sustainable agriculture. Klassen is an agricultural machine designed for lawn care and turf management. It is commonly used for tasks like aerating, dead hatching, and overseeding. Klassen machines improve soil health, enhance water absorption, and promote healthy grass growth by creating better seed-to-soil contact, ultimately improving the quality and appearance of the turf. The Van is a versatile agricultural machine used for crop management and transportation. It is equipped with advanced features to assist in tasks like harvesting, planting, and irrigation. The van ensures efficient material handling, reduces labor costs, and improves productivity on the farm, making it an essential tool for modern agriculture. The OXE is an electric-powered agricultural machine designed for sustainable farming. It provides a quiet, eco-friendly alternative to traditional fuel-powered equipment. With high torque and efficient performance, it is ideal for tasks like plowing, harvesting, and cultivating. The OXE reduces emissions, lowers operating costs, and enhances overall farm efficiency. The Mency walking machine is a highly versatile and powerful piece of agricultural equipment. Designed for rough terrain, it can navigate steep slopes with ease, making it perfect for tasks like forestry, land clearing, and maintenance. Its unique walking mechanism ensures stability, offering unmatched performance and efficiency in challenging environments. Pottinger is a renowned agricultural machinery manufacturer specializing in hay and forage equipment. Their machines, such as mowers, tedders, and balers, are designed for efficient grass cutting, turning, and baling. Pottinger machines ensure high-quality forage production, improving farm productivity and reducing labor costs, making them essential tools for modern farming operations. The Root A1 is a modern agricultural machine designed for precision weeding and crop management. It uses advanced technology, such as GPS and AI, to accurately target and remove weeds without damaging crops. The machine improves farm efficiency by reducing the need for herbicides, promoting sustainable farming practices, and ensuring healthier crop growth. The road train is a large agricultural transport machine used for hauling heavy loads, such as farm equipment and produce. It consists of a powerful tractor unit and multiple trailers, designed to efficiently transport goods over long distances. With its high towing capacity, the road train enhances productivity, reducing the number of trips required for transporting large volumes. The robotic is an advanced agricultural machine designed to automate tasks like planting, weeding, and harvesting. It uses AI and sensors to navigate fields, identify crops, and perform precise actions with minimal human intervention. By increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs, this robotic system enhances productivity and supports sustainable farming practices. The BB1090BL is a specialized agricultural machine designed for efficient and precise crop handling. It is used primarily for planting, cultivating, and maintaining large areas of crops. With its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system, the BB1090BL ensures high performance, durability, and reduced labor costs, optimizing farming operations. The CAT D11T is a heavy-duty bulldozer used in agricultural and construction projects. Known for its powerful engine and robust design, it is ideal for land clearing, grading, and earth-moving tasks. The machine's large blade and advanced hydraulics provide exceptional efficiency in tough soil conditions, making it a crucial tool for large-scale farming and infrastructure development. Blade transportation is an agricultural machine designed to transport large blades, typically used in land clearing or grading. It features a robust structure with heavy-duty wheels and a secure loading mechanism to safely move blades from one location to another. This machine ensures efficient transportation of large equipment, minimizing downtime and improving productivity in agricultural and construction operations. The Bobot is an innovative agricultural robot designed for precision farming. It is equipped with advanced sensors and autonomous technology, allowing it to plant, monitor, and harvest crops efficiently. This machine reduces labor costs and enhances productivity by performing tasks like weeding, soil monitoring, and crop spraying, all while being environmentally friendly and minimizing chemical usage. The Bobot is an autonomous agricultural robot designed to assist in planting and maintaining crops. It is equipped with precision technology to optimize planting depth and spacing, ensuring healthier crops. Bobot can efficiently work across large fields, reducing labor costs and improving overall crop yield by performing tasks like planting, soil preparation, and monitoring crop growth. A hydraulic system in agricultural machinery uses fluid pressure to perform various tasks, such as lifting, digging, or plowing. It provides the required force to operate large equipment like tractors, harvesters, and plows. The system ensures smooth, efficient operations, making tasks faster and reducing the physical effort needed for heavy lifting and movement. The corn planter is an essential agricultural machine used for planting corn seeds efficiently. It automatically spaces the seeds and places them at the optimal depth in the soil. This ensures uniform growth and high crop yield. Corn planters are often equipped with features like row markers and fertilizer applicators to support overall crop health.